What is going on, y'all? This is Proudly Paige, a channel dedicated to teaching you how to look good, eat good, and live good. And today's video is the beginning of a series I like to call We Got Food at Home. So, my sister... Hey guys, I'm LaMonique. So I got 10 random items. The chef, everything's under $10 total. She's gonna make something great out of it, hopefully. Well, she has to eat it, so hopefully it's good. All right, say that part, huh? We've got a pluot. Oh, sour cream and onion Pringles. We love this. Okay. Imitation crab. Hey. All right. Fancy. All right. $1 worth. Vermicelli out. Okay, nudo from Italy. Oh, breadcrumbs. You shouldn't have. All right. What? We have s'mores cake mixed with honey-made graham cracker pieces. This looks disgusting by itself. Delicious. All right. Oh, gumbo filet. It'll go perfect with the peaches and the... Great. Oh, even better, strawberry nectar. All right. Oh, you didn't stop. This isn't, we got blueberry non-fat yogurt. All right. Oh, kidney beans. This is gonna taste great. Kidney beans. Last. Oh, dark chocolate sea salt. Dark chocolate sea salt caramels. All right, we're gonna make a simple syrup, a tropical simple syrup. I don't know what it tastes like. It's probably okay. I don't know if it's good or bad. So what does it taste like? Wow. It tastes like a tropical smoothie. You can be brutally honest, because I wouldn't even drink it, so. Just from the flavor, I would rate it a 5. It is a vermicelli rice cake with a red bean paste topped with imitation crab, Cajun style, and finished off with a garnish of sour cream and onion Pringles. So, it sounds pretty, it doesn't look pretty, but we're gonna see if it tastes good. I don't know what it tastes like. It's different. It's gonna be even better without the bean. Considering the resources, I would say a 4 out of 5, only because the beans are honey-made s'mores cake mix with honey-made graham cracker pieces. So. Oh. Okay, according to the package, it's done. Okay. Oh. Okay, so reading is essential. So it said microwave uncovered on high for 1 minute. Okay, I did 2. It says and cool for 2 minutes. Wow. Voila, this is the final product. Overcooked, but covered in chocolate and stuff. So, my official taste tester.
Oh, there's little marshmallows in there. Isn't that lovely? All right. Oh.
You don't like popcorn?
It's like chocolate. It's like chocolate. 2.5 out of 5.
It's still not bad.
I think it's personal because if I don't like these little marshmallow bits that it has in it, half the cake is gone because it got hard fast.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's really chocolatey. So the smoothie was excellent. If I wouldn't have seen the hella sugar that was added, it would have been a 5 out of 5. The main dish was excellent, just minus the beans. And again, that's just my preference. The dessert was really sweet. Like if you really like chocolate and sweet, and it's rich, so you only need a little bit. So actually, that little cup goes a long way. That could feed all 3 of us could eat that and be satisfied. Our sweet tooth would be satisfied. Yeah, 7.5 out of 10, and she was thrown for a loop, I think.
This has been the first episode of We Got Food at Home. This is my sister-in-law, Monique. She made this process so much harder than it had to be. But thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Paige. This is Powerfully Paige. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe, like, and comment button. And make sure to share it with your family and friends. Because I'm pretty sure they don't know how to cook, and this is a great way to figure it out. Any final words?
Like, subscribe, follow.
Yeah!
My first feature film, I'm sorry.
Feature film? What are we filming right now? Jeez.
Come on, where's our sweat? That's how old I am.
What is that?
You can do it all by yourself.